need to set parking brakes to request ground services.
Let's start setting up. Let's start setting up.
Roger.
Refueling truck is on its way. Please don't load aircraft until the fuel truck arrives and ask to do it. Fuel truck is in position. Please don't load aircraft until the fuel truck arrives and ask to do it. Please use your airplane fuel system to set the desired fuel quantity. Catering vehicles are on their way.
Hi, Captain. How are you today?
Fire left engine. Fire right engine.
Glide slope. Pull up. Terrain, terrain. Pull up.
Headwind, shear, headwind, shear, headwind, shear. Tailwind, shear, tailwind, shear, tailwind, shear.
Hi, the security and safety check are all done. Are we good to start boarding?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Boarding requested.
Pre-start check completed to the line.
Do you want to board crew?
Zero Zulu. Arriving and departing runway 6. Wind 065 at 4. Visibility 5. Sky conditions, scattered at 3,000 feet. Broken at 6,000 feet. Temperature 21. Dew point 20. Altimeter 3000. Blast fence damage reported, repairs underway, expect minor delays in freight area. Advise on initial contact. You have information Papa. Jose Marti International
Passengers
Airport,
boarding started.
information Papa. 0950 Zulu. Arriving and departing runway 6. Wind 065 at 4. Visibility 5. Sky conditions, scattered at 3,000 feet. Broken at 6,000 feet. Temperature 21. Dew point 20. Altimeter 3000. Blast fence damage reported, repairs underway, expect minor delays in freight area. Advise on initial contact. You have information Papa.
Good morning. Hello. Good morning.
Are you ready for the departure brief?
Go ahead.
Okay, the newest weather shows good conditions. We'll plan to push and start for a 2-engine taxi. There are no hot spots along our taxi route. It will be a left seat takeoff, and no need for radar today. We'll plan on a reduced thrust takeoff. Prior to V1, for any master warning, engine fire, or failure that will prevent the aircraft from flying safely, we'll abort and stop on the runway. After V1, we'll take it flying and deal with it in the air and plan to come back here. Our top threat will be complacency. Any questions?
No questions.
Okay, that completes the brief.
Good morning. Good morning. Welcome on board. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. May I see your boarding pass? Hello. Welcome on board. Welcome on board. This way.
Hi guys, here's the load sheet for you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks.
No problem. Have a safe flight.
Marty Ground, buenos dias, Toro 3140, request clearance for IFR flight to Miami International.
Doral 3140 cleared to Miami via the FMAR 3 departure. Dennis filed. Climb flight level 040. Expect flight level 25010 minutes after departure. Departure on 120.3. Squawk 3524. Expect runway 6.
Clear to Miami via Empire 3 departure. Dennis filed. Climb flight level 040. Expecting flight level 25010 minutes after departure. Departure on 120.3. Squawk 3542. Expecting runway 6. Dora 3140.
Doral 3140, read back correct.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of World Atlantic Airlines and the entire crew, welcome aboard Flight 3140, departing from Jose Marti International Airport and heading to Miami. Please take your seats according to your boarding passes and store your hand luggage in the overhead bins or under the seats in front of you. If you require any assistance, do not hesitate to contact any member of our crew. Thank you.
gentlemen, welcome on board today. As you locate your assigned seats, please place your smaller items under the seat in front of you to provide more room for larger items in our overhead compartments. If you need assistance, contact a flight attendant. If you are unable to accommodate any item in the cabin, please bring it to the boarding door and we will check it for you. Also, review the safety instruction card in your seat pocket. If you are seated at an exit seat, also review the exit seating criteria.
Pre-start check below the line.
Cover and pins,
Removed.
aircraft log, and documents.
Checked on board. Checked on board. Checked on board.
Altimeters.
QNH 3000 set. QNH 3000 set. Altimeter 3000. QNH 1016.
Fuel oil, hydraulic quantity.
Checked.
0 fuel weight.
Set.
TRP.
50 takeoff flex.
Stabilizer.
14.0 set.
Flaps takeoff selector.
Stowed.
Speed bugs.
Set. Set.
Pre-start check below the line completed.
Marty ground, Doral 3140, information Papa, request, push and start.
Doral 3140, push and start approved. Face southwest.
Push and start approved, face southwest, Doral 3140. Before start check.
Parking brakes.
Set.
Doors.
Closed.
Startup and pushback clearance.
Approved.
Before start check completed, ready for engine start.
Hello, Captain. We are ready for pushback.
Start right engine. Start right engine.
Cabin attendants, arm doors, and cross-check. Ladies and gentlemen,
Start right
welcome
engine.
aboard World Atlantic Airlines Flight 3140, departing from Havana and heading to Miami. My name is Laura, and I am your lead flight attendant
Start
today.
right engine.
Joining me
Starting
in the
right
cabin
engine.
are my colleagues, Pierre, Sophie, and Mark.
Right, start valve
We
open.
appreciate your
And
attention
to
as we
oil
go through
pressure.
the safety demonstration, which is important even for frequent flyers. Please ensure your seat backs and tray tables are in the upright position and your window blinds are open for takeoff.
And 1.
Remember to fasten your seatbelt whenever the seatbelt sign is illuminated. Mobile phones and
Fuel
electronic
on.
devices must be set to flight mode, and smoking, including e-cigarettes, is not permitted anywhere on board. In
Fuel
case of
flow.
an emergency,
EGT. Right,
oxygen
start
mask
valve
or
closed.
drop down. Pull the mask towards you, place it over your nose and mouth, and breathe normally.
Citation 9
Remember
Hotel
to
Tango,
secure
runway
your
6
own
taxi via
mask
Alpha.
before assisting others. Life vests are located
Runway
under
6
your seat,
taxi via
with
Alpha,
an
citation 9
automated
Hotel
indicator
Tango.
in the aircraft. Floor level lighting will guide you to the nearest exit, which may be behind you.
Stabilizing.
In case of evacuation, leave all belongings behind and follow crew instructions.
Stabilize.
The safety information card in your seat pocket contains all details. Thank you for your attention.
Start left engine. Start left engine.
Starting left engine. Left start valve open. And to oil pressure. And 1. Fuel on. Fuel flow. EGT. Left start valve closed.
Total disconnected. Bypass pin removed. Left is clear. Right is clear.
Stabilizing. Stabilized.
After start check.
Once again,
Ignition.
ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board our flight today. This is the lead flight
Off.
attendant speaking.
Electrical
Please direct
loads.
your attention to the cabin crew for important safety information. There is an instruction card in your seat pocket that illustrates the safety equipment on this aircraft. Regulations require compliance with this information as well as all crew instructions, lighted information signs, and posted placards. Fasten your seatbelt by inserting the metal tip into the buckle. Tighten by pulling on the belt. To release your
Checked.
seatbelt, lift the metal flap on the buckle. It is
Checked.
our policy that you keep
Air
your
condition
seatbelt
supply.
fastened at all times while seated. Doors are clearly marked with exit signs and instructions for door operation.
Auto.
Each door is equipped with an
Auto.
escape slide.
Galley power.
Locate the exit nearest you. The nearest exit may be behind you.
On.
Eyes protection panel.
Emergency lights
Off.
will illuminate the aisle.
Pneumatic crossfeed
The
valve
cabin
levers.
is pressurized. If there is a loss of cabin pressure, a panel will open and oxygen masks will appear. Remain
Closed.
seated with your
Citation 9
seatbelt
Hotel
fastened
Tango, contact tower on 118.1.
the flow of oxygen. Oxygen will be flowing to the mask
Over to
even
tower,
though the
citation
bag
9
may
Hotel
not
Tango.
inflate. Cover your nose and mouth with the mask. Place the elastic band around your head and tighten by pulling on the ends. Secure your own mask before assisting others.
Flight controls
Your seat
check
bottom
completed.
cushion may be used as a flotation device. Pull
Flight
up and
controls
remove
check
the cushion.
completed.
Upon exiting the aircraft, place your arm
American
around the
2699er,
hold on
taxi
the
departing via
strap
Charlie Alpha
on
India.
the back. This
Flight
is a
controls check
non-smoking
completed.
Flight. Smoking is not permitted in the cabin or lavatories. Cabin lights will now be turned off. Reading light buttons are
Flight
located
controls
above your seat.
check
Thank
completed.
you for your attention.
Flight controls check completed. Flight controls check completed.
Hydraulic pumps and press.
Checked.
Annunciator panel.
Checked. Checked.
Ground equipment.
Removed.
All clear signal.
Received.
Flap slats.
Set.
After start check completed.
Marty ground. Doral 3140 ready to taxi. Marty ground. Doral 3140 ready to taxi.
Doral 3140, runway 6, taxi via Delta Alpha.
Runway 6, taxi via Delta Alpha, Doral 3140. We are clear on the left.
We are clear on the right.
Taxi check.
Fuel heat.
Not required.
Flaps and slats.
11 degrees takeoff.
EPR bugs and TRP.
Takeoff auto.
Takeoff speeds.
Verified.
Takeoff briefing.
Performed.
ATC flight guiding system NAVEDS.
Set and checked.
FMS.
Pre-flight completed.
APU air and master switch.
Both off.
Brake temperature and pressure.
Checked.
Taxi check completed.
Doral 3140, contact tower on 118.1. Take care.
Link to 118.1. Bye bye. Doral 3140. Cabin crew, be seated for takeoff. Marty Tower, buenos dias, Doral 3142. Holding short runway 6, ready for departure. Lineup check.
Cabin.
Secured.
Doral 3140, Marty Tower, runway 06, wind 060 at 4, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 06, wind 060 at 4, clear for takeoff, Doral 3140. Secured.
Windows.
Left side closed.
Right side closed. Annunciator panel.
Checked.
Ignition.
Both.
Air condition supply.
Auto.
Approaching. 0, 6.
Auto.
Transponder set to TARA. Takeoff clearance.
Received.
Lineup check completed.
On runway. 0, 6.
Ready. Ready.
Ready. Timing.
Takeoff. Takeoff.
On runway. 0, 6. On runway. 0, 6.
$80 knots. V1. Rotate. positive right.
Doral 3140, Marty Tower, contact departure on 120.3.
120.3, Doral 3140, bye bye. Check. Climb check. Climb check. Climb check.
Seatbelt.
On.
Climb check completed.
Transition. 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 Passing flight level 040 now. Transition. 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 Transition.
Set.
Now.
Checked.
Havana departure, Doral 3140 with you.
Doral 3140, Havana departure, radar contact. Climb flight level 140, direct Almit.
Climb flight level 140, direct Almit, Doral 3140.
Doral 3140, climb flight level 250.
Climb flight level 250, Doral 3140.
Dear guests, the lavatories are now available. You may use approved electronic devices in flight mode. Cabin service will begin shortly. Thank you for your attention.
Doral 3140, contact Havana Center on 125.55.
To Havana Center on 125.55. Bye bye, Doral 3140. Havana Center, buenos dias, Doral 3140, video climbing through flight level 18000 to flight level 250.
Doral 3140, Havana Center identified. Good morning.
Ladies and gentlemen, in just a few moments, we'll begin our meal service for the flight. Please refer to the menu given to you on boarding for the 2 meal choices and your beverage choices available. We request that you keep the aisles clear to assist the flight attendants to serve you efficiently and also for your own safety. Thank you.
Doral 3140, Havana Center, expect the Sandbar 3 arrival. Plan for descent in maybe 15 minutes.
Expecting the Sandbar 3 arrival. Planning for descent in 15 minutes. Doral 3140.
Dear guests, we have now reached cruising altitude. The cabin crew will begin the snack and beverage service shortly. I recommend trying our signature chicken salad or the delightful cheese platter. After the service, selected items from the World Atlantic Airlines shop will be available for purchase. Thank you for your attention.
Are you ready for the arrival brief?
Go ahead.
Our current weather shows nice VFR conditions, and we've got the arrival and approach for guidance and FMS for descent planning to get down to the airport. It'll be an
contact
ILS
Miami
approach.
Center on
The runway is dry,
133.5.
and we take the first available turn and taxi to the gate per ATC instructions. Once cleared, we can plan to start the APU for taxi in. Any questions?
No questions.
Brief complete.
Doral 3140, contact Miami Center on 133.5.
Into Miami Center on 133.5, Doral 3140, bye bye. Miami Center, good morning, Doral 3140 with you, flight level 250.
Doral 3140, Miami Center, good morning. Doral 3140, Miami Center, cleared sandbar 3, arrival into Miami. When you're ready, descend and maintain 16,000.
Sandbar 3 arrival into Miami, when ready, descent and maintain 16,000, Doral 3140.
Doral 3140, descend and maintain 12,000, turn left, heading 030 vectors for the ILS, runway 8 right approach.
Descend and maintain 2000, turn left heading 030, vectors for the ILS runway 8 right approach, Doral 3140.
Doral 3140, descend and maintain 1000.
Descend and maintain 1000, Doral 3140.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have begun our descent towards Miami. Please return to your seats, stow your tables, and fasten your seat belts. The use of lavatories is no longer permitted. Thank you for your cooperation.
Descent check. Descent check.
Fuel quantity.
Checked.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Checked.
we'll be arriving at our destination shortly. If you are making a connection to another flight,
Checked.
please see the customer
Approach
service
briefing.
agent meeting this
Performed.
flight or video monitors inside the terminal for
Performed.
connecting gate information. For your continued safety, flight attendants will now
Performed.
walk through the cabin to secure it for landing. We'll be collecting all service items,
Performed.
newspapers, and any other items you wish to discard or may
Performed.
not be taking off the aircraft with you.
Performed.
Also in preparation
Landing
for
data.
landing, please turn
Set.
off all electronic devices. Stow these devices and all other carry-on items. Please use
Set.
caution when opening overhead
Descent
bins
check
as
completed.
items may have shifted during our flight. Please stow your tray tables and return your seats to their upright position and check the security of your
Transition.
seatbelts. We will be landing shortly. Thank you.
Transition. Transition.
Set.
Passing 18,000 now.
Checked.
Doral 3140, turn right heading 055.
Turn right heading 055, Doral 3140.
Doral 3140, contact Miami approach on 118.1.
Contact Miami approach on 118.1, Doral 3140, bye-bye. Miami approach, good morning, Doral 3140 with you, descending to 1000.
Doral 3140, Miami approach. Good morning, Miami, altimeter 3003. Expect the ILS runway 8 right approach into Miami.
Miami altimeter 3003, expecting ILS runway 8 right approach into Miami, Doral 3140.
Doral 3140, turn left, heading 025.
Left heading 025, Doral 3140.
Doral 3140, descend and maintain 6000.
Descend and maintain 6000, Doral 3140.
Envoy 4089, radar contact.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now on our final approach into Miami. Please turn off all electronic devices and store them until we arrive at the gate. Ensure your tray tables are put away, your seats are in the full upright position, and your
Approach
seat
check.
belts are fastened. Our assigned gate is Terminal E23. Thank
Navigation.
Blue 2095, contact Miami Oceanic Center on 126.325.
Set.
Approach check completed.
126.325, JetBlue 2095.
Doral 3140, proceed direct Copra. Descend and maintain 3000 until established on the localizer cleared for the ILS runway 8 right approach. Envoy 4089, direct grid, cleared for the ILS runway 09er approach. Descend and maintain altitude 3000 until established.
Proceed direct Copra, descend and maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, clear for the ILS runway 8 right approach, Doral 3140.
Envoy 4089, contact Miami Tower on 118.3. Brickyard 5606, direct Copra. Cleared for the RNAV Yankee runway 08 right approach. Descend and maintain altitude 3000 until established.
Down to 3000 cleared for the RNAV Yankee 08 right approach. Brickyard 5606.
Miami approach, American 3249, 13,000.
American 3249, radar contact. Brickyard 5606, contact Miami Tower on 118.3.
Switching to Miami Tower on 118.3, Brickyard 5606.
Miami approach, American 1325, 900,000.
American 1325, radar contact. Doral 3140, contact Miami Tower on 118.3 at Copra.
Contact Miami Tower 118.3 at Copra, Doral 3140. Bye bye.
Doral 3140, roger, Miami Tower. 3140 Miami Tower, wind 030 at 4. Runway 8 right, cleared to land.
Wind 030 at 4, runway 8 right, clear to land, Doral 3140.
Miami Tower, American 1325, established on the RNAV Yankee runway 08 right.
Final check.
American 1325, roger.
Final check. Final check. Final check.
Envoy 4089, contact ground on 121.8.
Miami Tower, Doral 3140, going around.
Doral 3140, roger. Taxi to ramp via taxiway Alpha. Contact ground on 121.9er when ready. Brickyard 5606, contact ground on 121.8.
Miami Tower, Doral 3140 is going around.
Switching to ground, Brickyard 5606.
Miami Tower, Doral 3140 is going around.
Doral 3140, taxi to ramp via taxiway Alpha. Contact ground on 121.9er when ready.
Miami Tower, Doral 3140 is going around. Miami Tower, Doral 3140 is going missed approach.
Doral 3140, execute missed approach procedure. Contact approach on 118.1.
Execute missed approach procedure, contact approach on 118.1, Doral 3140. Miami approach, Doral 3140 is going missed approach.
Doral 3140, roger. Execute missed approach. Give me 1 second. Frontier Flight 1047, contact Fort Lauderdale Tower on 119.3.
119.3 for Frontier Flight 1047.
American 1183, contact Miami Tower on 118.3.
118.3 for American 1183. Good day.
Departure, American 2087, 2000 for 4000.
American 2087, radar contact. Climb and maintain 11 1000.
Climb 11 1000, American 2087.
Departure, Station Air 41 Charlie 2000 for 4000. Station Air 41 Charlie, radar contact, altitude restrictions cancelled, maintain VFR. 5000, Station Air 41 Charlie. American 2087, contact Miami departure on 118.1.
Switching to Miami departure on 118.1, American 2087.
Departure, FedEx 3645, 2000 for 4000.
FedEx 3645, radar contact, climb and maintain 12 2000.
Climb 12, 2000, FedEx 3645.
Departure, United 1424, 2000 for 4000.
United 1424, radar contact, climb and maintain 12 2000.
Climb 12, 2000, United 1424.
FedEx 3645, contact Miami Center on 132.15.
132.15 on FedEx 3645.
United 1424, contact Miami Center on 132.15.
Switching to Miami Center on 132.15 at United 1424.
Delta 1215, radar contact, climb and maintain 12 2000.
Climb 12 2000, Delta 1215.
Miami approach, Doral 4140, request vectors for the ILS runway 8 right approach.
Doral 3140, Something went wrong on this end and I wasn't able to do the math on the vectoring approach. This has been reported as bug, but you'll need to get yourself to the approach fix. Delta 1215, contact Miami Center on 132.15.
Switching to Miami Center on 132.15, Delta 1215.
Roger, Doral 3140.
Departure Southwest 1500, 2000 for 4000.
Southwest 1500, radar contact. Climb and maintain 13-3000.
Climb 13-3000, Southwest 1500.
United 1424, contact Denver Tower on 135.3.
Switching to Denver Tower on 135.3, United 1424.
American 1154, contact Miami Tower on 118.3.
118.3 for American 1154, good day.
Miami approach, Doral 3140, check QNH.
Doral 3140, QNH 30.05.
QNH 30.05, Doral 4140.
Miami approach, American 445, 9000.
American 445, radar contact.
Miami approach, Frontier Flight 2484, 9000.
Frontier Flight 2484, radar contact. American 412, direct Gloria. Cleared for the RNAV, Y runway 12 approach. Descend and maintain altitude 3000 until established.
Descending to 3000, cleared for the RNAV. Y12 approach, American 412. Departure American 9783 2000 for 4000.
American 9783, radar contact. Climb and maintain 12-1-2000.
Climb 12-1-2000, American 9783.
Departure JetBlue 690 2000 for 4000. JetBlue 690, radar contact. Climb and maintain 11-1-1000.
Up to 11-1-1000, JetBlue 690.
Departure King Air 26 Zulu 2000 for 4000.
King Air 26 Zulu, radar contact. VFR altitudes.
Up to 9000, King Air 26 Zulu.
American 412, contact Miami Tower on 118.3.
118.3 for American 412.
Departure Rouge 1621 2000 for 4000. Rouge 1621, radar contact. Climb and maintain 10,000.
10,000, Rouge 1621.
American 9783, contact Miami Oceanic Center on 126.325.
Over to Miami Oceanic Center on 126.325, American 9783.
American 445, direct Cobra. Cleared for the RNAV Yankee runway 08 right approach. Descend and maintain altitude 3000 until established.
Down to 3000, cleared for the RNAV Yankee 08 right approach, American 445. Miami approach, American 1196, 15000.
Miami approach, Doral 3140, request vectors for the ILS runway 8 right approach.
Doral 3140, runway 8 is not active for ILS approach. Active ILS runways are 8 right and 9er. Please confirm runway.
Request vectors for the ILS runway 8 right approach, Doral 3140.
Switching to Miami Center on 132.15, Southwest 1500.
American 445, contact Miami Tower on 118.3.
118.3 for American 445. Departure JetBlue 2016 2000 for 4000.
Miami approach, Doral 3140, request vectors for the ILS runway 8 right approach.
Doral 3140, runway 8 is not active for ILS approach. Active ILS runways are 8 right, 9er, and 12. Please confirm runway.
8 right, Doral 4140.
Departure Envoy 3767 2000 for 4000.
Envoy 3767, radar contact. Climb and maintain 10,000. Doral 3140, expect the ILS approach runway 8 right. Maintain 3,000 feet. Expect further descent shortly. Spirit Wings to 95, contact Fort Lauderdale Tower on 119.3.
Expect ILS runway 8 right approach, maintain 3000, expect further descent shortly, Doral 4140.
JetBlue 1480, radar contact. Climb and maintain 11-1000.
Miami approach, American 2100, 13,000.
American 2100, radar contact.
Miami approach, Brickyard 4350, 9,000.
Brickyard 4350, radar contact.
Departure, American 812, 2000 for 4,000.
American 812, radar contact. Climb and maintain 12, 2000.
Climb 12, 2000, American 812.
JetBlue 1480, contact Miami Center on 132.15.
132.15 for JetBlue 1480.
Up to 5,000, November 66 Delta Bravo.
American 812, contact Miami Oceanic. Doral 3140, contact Miami Tower on 118.3.
118.3, Doral 4140. Miami Tower, Doral 4140. Established on the localizer, ILS runway 8 right approach.
Doral 3140, expect the ILS runway 8 right approach, continue inbound.
Expecting ILS runway 8 right approach, continue inbound, Doral 4140. Miami Tower, Doral 4140, final runway 8 right approach. Final check. Final check.
Doral 3140, expect the ILS runway 8 right approach.
Gear.
Down. Down.
Ignition.
Both.
Auto spoilers and auto brakes.
Armed.
Flaps and slats.
Flaps 40 land. Flaps 40 land.
Landing clearance.
Miami Tower, Doral 3140, final runway 8 right.
Doral 3140, contact Miami Tower on 118.3.
One on 8.3. Bye bye. Doral 3140. Miami Tower, Doral 3140. Good morning again. With you, final runway 8 right.
500 above.
Doral 3140, Miami Tower, roger, runway 8 right is approved. Wind 030 at 4. Doral 3140, Miami Tower, wind 030 at 4. Runway 8 right, cleared to land.
Wind 030 at 4, runway 8 right, clear to land, Doral 3140. Received.
Final check completed.
Too fast. Too fast.
Approaching minimums. Minimums.
Unstable. Unstable.
Spoilers deployed. $80 knots. 60.
Doral 3140, welcome to Miami. Contact ground on 121.8.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Miami.
After landing
Thank you
check.
for flying with World Atlantic Airlines. Please remain seated until we reach the final parking position. Did you know that
Contact ground on 121.8. Doral 3140, bye-bye.
Captain Toby, First Officer Stephanie, and the entire crew, we wish you a pleasant stay. The local time here is 8:30 a.m. We have some upcoming connections. Flight 234 to New York, departing at 9:15 a.m. from Gate D. Flight
Miami ground, good morning. Doral 3140, holding short at taxiway Mike
After landing check
9.
completed.
Request taxi to terminal Echo gate 23.
Safely at the gate. This will be your indication it is safe to move about the cabin, gather your belongings, and disembark. We'd like
Doral 3140, taxi to terminal Echo Gate 23 via Mike Echo.
again on a future flight.
Miami ground, Doral 3140, confirm taxi to terminal Echo gate 23 via Mike Echo.
Ground, Brickyard 4350, taxi to the gate.
Brickyard 4350, taxi to parking via Lima 6, Lima 11, hold short of runway 26 left, then Mike 11, November 13.
Lima 6, Lima 11, hold short of runway 26 left, then Mike 11, November 13, Brickyard 4350. Ground, American 2887, taxi to the gate.
American 2887, taxi to parking via Mike 6, November Whiskey.
Mike 6, November Whiskey, American 2887.
Miami ground, Doral 4140, request taxi to terminal Echo gate 23.
UPS 2331, give way to the GA Queen Air.
Give way to the GA Queen Air, UPS 2331.
Doral 3140, taxi to terminal E gate 23 via Mike 9 or Mike Whiskey Papa. Good day.
Taxi to terminal E gate 23 via Mike 9er, Mike Whiskey Papa. Bye-bye, Doral 4140.
Push and start approved, American 969. American 969er Papa ready to tax.
American 2887, give way to the Envoy Embraer 170.
Give way to the Envoy Embraer 170, American 2887.
American 604, taxi to parking via Tango 5 Sierra Yankee, hold short of runway 30, then November.
Tango 5 Sierra Yankee, hold short of runway 30, then November, American 604.
Flaps and slats.
American 2889, or give way to the company 737.
Giving way to the company 737, American 2889er.
American 11906, give way to the company 73 Max.
We'll give way to the company 73 Max, American 11906.
Envoy 4113, give way to the American 73 Max. Give way to the American 73 Max, Envoy 4113.
American 3041 ready to taxi.
American 3041, runway 9er taxi via November Yankee, hold short of runway 30, then Sierra 1.
Runway 9er taxi via November Yankee, hold short of runway 30, then Sierra 1, American 3041.
Ready to taxi.
Cirrus 584, runway 8 left taxi via Kilo 1.
Runway 8 left taxi via Kilo 1, Cirrus 584.
Skyline 87 Yankee ready to taxi.
Skyline 87 Yankee, runway 8 left taxi via Kilo 1.
Runway 8 left taxi via Kilo 1, Skyline 87 Yankee.
Delta 2638 ready to push.
Delta 2638, pushback approved.
Roger, pushback approved, Delta 2638.
Ground Envoy 3638, taxi to parking.
Envoy 3638, taxi to parking via Victor Quebec Whiskey November.
Victor Quebec Whiskey November, Envoy 3638.
American 960 ready to push.
American 960, pushback approved.
Roger, pushback approved, American 960. American 2550, request push and start.
American 2550, cleared for push and start.
Roger, pushback approved, American 2550.
American 3041, give way to the Brickyard Embraer 75.
give way to the Brickyard Embraer 75, American 3041.
American 604, give way to the company 73 Max.
Give way to the company 73 Max, American 604.
Delta 2638, ready to taxi.
Delta 2638, runway 8 right, taxi via Papa Mike 1.
Runway 8 right, taxi via Papa Mike 1, Delta 2638.
Envoy 3638, give way to the American ahead.
We'll give way to the American 73 Max, Envoy 3638.
American 960, ready to taxi.
American 960, runway 12 taxi via November, Quebec 1.
Runway 12 taxi via November, Quebec 1, American 960.
American 2550, ready to taxi.
American 2550, runway 8 left taxi via November Mike 2, Papa Mike 1, hold short of runway 8 right, then Lima 1.
Runway 8 left taxi via November Mike 2, Papa Mike 1, hold short of runway 8 right, then Lima
Parking
1,
check.
American 2550.
Parking check.
Parking brakes.
Set.
Flaps and slats.
Retracted.
APU external power.
Ground Envoy 3423, taxi to parking.
Established.
Envoy
Established.
3423, taxi to parking via Victor, Quebec, Whiskey, November.
Established.
Victor, Quebec,
Fuel
Whiskey,
levers.
November, Envoy
Off.
3423.
Anti-collision.
Off.
Hydraulic pumps.
Off.
Seatbelt switch.
Off.
Eyes protection panel.
Off.
Transponder.
Standby.
Parking check completed.
The boarding requested.
American 2889, give way to the United ahead.
Giving way to the United 73, American 2889er.
American 1801, request push and start.
American 1801, push and start approved.
Push and start approved. American 1801.
Passengers deboarding starting.
American 1519, request push and start clearance.
American 1519, push and start approved.
Roger, pushback approved. American 1519.
American 1801, ready to taxi.
American 1801, runway 9er taxi via Yankee 2, Yankee hold short of runway 30, then Sierra, Sierra 1.
Runway 9 taxi via Yankee 2, Yankee hold short of runway 30, then Sierra, Sierra 1, American 1801.
American 1519 are ready to taxi.
American 1519er, runway 8 left taxi via November Mike 2, Papa Mike 1, hold short of runway 8 right, then Lima 1.
Runway 8 left taxi via November Mike 2, Papa Mike 1, hold short of runway 8 right, then Lima 1, American 1519er.
Envoy 3423, give way to the American 73 Max on your left.
We'll give way to the American 73 Max, Envoy 3423.
Ground American 867, taxi to the ramp.
American 867, taxi to parking via Tango 5, Sierra Yankee, hold short of runway 30, then November.
Tango 5, Sierra Yankee, hold short of runway 30, then November American 867.
American 2811, ready for pushback.
American 2811, pushback approved.
Push and start approved, American 2811.
Ground Bahamas 221, taxi to the gate.
Bahamas 221, taxi to parking via Victor Sierra Papa.
Victor Sierra Papa, Bahamas 221.
American 1807, give way to the Bahamas 737.
Give way to the Bahamas 737, American 1807.
Delta 1787, request push and start.
Delta 1787, cleared for push and start.
Roger, pushback approved. Delta 1787. American 2811, ready to taxi.
American 2811, runway 8 right, taxi via Papa Mike 1.
Runway 8 right, taxi via Papa, Mike 1, American 2811.
American 1431, ready to push. American 1431, push and start approved.
Push and start approved. American 1431.
Ground American 2313, taxi to parking.
American 2313, taxi to parking via Mike 6, November 6, November Whiskey.
Mike 6, November 6, November Whiskey, American 2313.
Refueling truck is on its way. Please don't load aircraft until the fuel truck arrives and ask to do it.
Frontier Flight 1809 give way to the American ahead.
Giving way to the American 737, Frontier Flight 1809er.
American 1431 ready to taxi.
Catering vehicles.
American 1431, runway 9er, taxi via Uniform Quebec, Uniform, hold short of runway 30, then Sierra, Sierra 1.
Before leaving aircraft.
Runway 9er, taxi via Uniform Quebec, Uniform, hold short of runway 30, then Sierra, Sierra 1, American 1431.
Aircraft until the fuel truck arrives.
Cessna 925 ready to taxi.
Please use your airplane fuel system to set the desired fuel
Cessna
quantity.
925, runway 8 left taxi via Kilo, Kilo 1.
Runway 8 left taxi via Kilo, Kilo 1, Cessna 925.
Before leaving aircraft.
American 21901, taxi
Emergency
to the gate.
lights.
American 21901, taxi to parking via Mike 6, November 6, November.
Off.
Air conditioner.
Mike 6 November, American 21901.
Off.
Galley power.
American 21901, give way to the Frontier Flight A320 on your left.
Off.
Windshield anti-ice and anti-fog.
Frontier Flight A320, American 21901.
Off.
Pitot heat.
Off.
Taxi to parking.
Lights and screens.
Off.
Envoy 3640, taxi to parking via Lima 6, Lima, Lima 7, hold short of runway 26
Off.
left, then Mike 7, November 8.
Off.
Battery switch.
Lima 6, Lima, Lima 7, hold short of runway 26 left, then
Off.
Before leaving aircraft check completed,